Alhamdulillah. Guys, you would not even believe what just happened. You could not make this shit up. So remember, I went to the Tim Horton, grabbed some coffee for myself and my mother. Alhamdulillah, you know, right here at the courthouse. That's my mother right there. You know, she got my envelope with the disclosure finally from the August 24, 2024 incident that resulted in my unlawful detention, right? On allegation before the court, criminal allegation, which I have just received the disclosure for 5 criminal charges. Mischief, obstruction, assault, where I survived attempted assassination, murder by the OPP, by tasering a man who made a distress call to the authority, law enforcement, because here I am contesting unlawful seizure, unlawful detention, unlawful, just unlawful break of all sort of, you know, civic, provincial and constitutional law before, you know, the court system. So I show up today because they had released me. Remember, I was in jail in Quebec last week from the 13th day of September 2025 till the 19th day of September 2025. And I was basically going through my bail release in a different jurisdiction, right? Regarding some summary conviction. No problem, breach. Summary conviction means you pay a monetary fine if you are guilty. But I'm not guilty. And I have yet to appear before justice. Fundamental justice is that I, as the accused, have the right for a fair and public trial. Hence my application before the Supreme Court of Canada regarding 2 jurisdictions, Quebec and Ontario, which have resulted in my basically deprivation and denying of basic, fundamental, unalienable natural rights and freedom, which are safeguarded by the Constitution. So Alhamdulillah, you know, I entered the courthouse around 2 o'clock, and you know, the Crown was alleging that there was a bench warrant that remains outstanding against my detention, so to speak, or arrest, because suddenly I have a court case that I had missed on the 23rd of January 2025. Another fabrication of, you know, court proceeding, a date that I did not consent to, because on the 18th of December, I was simply taken to Montfort because I had just basically appeared virtually over Zoom to receive and confirm the receipt of my otherwise criminal charges for the disclosure of my otherwise 5 criminal charges. Disclosure. I just received the disclosure today. So Alhamdulillah, I know almost the judge tells me, oh, you know, we are going to remain seated, you know, you have a bench warrant, and perhaps I would have gone to the slammer again. But I had the paperwork that shows the bench warrant had been executed. I was released on the spot. And I was coerced into signing some promissory note undertaken. No problem, but I'm free until then. I've been time and time again appearing before my court motion, right? My court motion, I've been going through the court motion, appearing before the court proceeding every single date. My charges have been acquitted in Quebec on the 10th of September 2024. And here I am continuing with my basically court motion in Ontario. But again, the primary grounds, right? They had me incarcerated for, you know, otherwise would have been 30 days from the 25th to the 25th. So 25th of August when I was sworn in to the 25th of September, the very same month, 2024. I got released because, yes, there's no reason for you to have me unlawfully detained. I got released on the 29th of August 2024, only for me to go and attend to my court proceeding and my court motion as a self-represented. So now I have a judiciary pre-trial hearing. I'm given a new set date because today was supposed to be the trial. I'm ready. They have not provided any disclosure until today. They tried to show that they were trying to, but you know, I did not miss apparently I missed my court, but that did not take place. So my sister is here, alhamdulillah, so now we're going back home. So to be continued. Thank you. Alhamdulillah.